This video is about managing shifts and workers for your active projects. From the main menu, click on Clients to view all your active projects and select the project where you want to create the shift. You can select workers for the shift under the Workers section, or you can go to Project Management and click on Workers to create a shift. Click on Add Shift to create a new shift. First, add your shift name. Now add your workers, which you have already updated under Resources. Manage workers. Under Individual, you can see all your individual workers. Select any of the workers who need to work on this specific shift. If you want to add a contractor, switch to the Contractor section and select the contractor. If you want to add your system users to this shift, toggle to Users and select the required user. If your worker has not been created under Manage Workers, you can quickly add them directly from here by choosing Individual Contractor or User as Worker. Once all your workers are selected, start adding the other details, such as the start date of the shift. Select the start time and end time for the shift. You can keep this as a one-time shift, or you can set it as a recurring shift. Click on Set Recurring, and you can customize your recurrence here. If the shift should repeat every 1 day, you can keep it as it is. If it should repeat every 3 days, you can adjust it. You can also toggle between daily, weekly, or monthly recurrence. For example, if there is work that needs to happen every 6 months, you can set it to repeat every 6 months, and choose whether it should repeat on the same date or on the same weekday every month. You can also mention the end date, whether the shift should end on a specific date or after a certain number of occurrences. For example, if you set it to repeat every day for 15 occurrences and click Done, the shift will be created for all 15 days. If you want to add additional details, click on Expand. You can select a pinned location, which is required when you add users as workers. They can scan the QR code at the site and mark themselves as present. You can also link the shift with your project schedule by clicking on the drop-down and selecting the schedule. You can change the shift color by clicking the drop-down and selecting a color for the shift. After entering all the details, click on Create. Your shift is now created. You can toggle between daily, weekly, or monthly views to see the shift. From today until the next 15 days, the shift will be visible. As a site engineer or site supervisor, you can go to Attendance. Here, you can see the shift happening for the day. You can mark the workers as present and also add overtime for the workers present on site. This is how the site supervisor can update the daily attendance of workers. To view wage details, go to the Wage Details tab. Here, you can see the shift information, start and end dates, total rate, converted amount, and pending amount. Once you have paid the workers, click on the 3 dots and select Add to Expenses to add this amount to the bills and expenses of the project. You can also view worker details by clicking on the 3 dots and selecting View Details to see the workers who worked in that shift, their total working days, present days, and duration. This is how you can manage shifts and worker attendance for each project under the Workers section. Thank you.